Here we go again. Anyone watching this, I'm doing my AI or Die tour in Africa, so make sure to subscribe and drop a comment on where you want me to visit. But now, we're about to land in Botswana, Gaborone, so let's go. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Welcome to Botswana.
Thank you so much. Thanks, man.
My brother.
Oh, good. Nice
Nice
meeting you. Nice seeing you, brother.
Welcome to Botswana.
I'll be like, oh my life, and then you have to say that. She has two names. Either you say Sena or Queen. It's two different. Yeah, exactly.
Damn.
But you didn't have a long flight, right?
No, it was short. Yeah, it's super close. Yeah. Listen, like I appreciate it so much, and you know why I'm doing this, and like we have this mission, and
if you had time, you would pass by those NGOs, SOS. I don't know if you know SOS.
Yeah.
I was with them. We organized a PI party for them. Yeah, we have 6.3K views
on the live stream when Murat arrived. Yeah.
Yes, we were doing a live stream.
Oh, really?
When you guys were arriving. It's exciting, man. People are excited. The comments, the hype.
But the most important question, did I look good?
Yes, you did. You did.
So then it will look like I'm the one who's shooting the videos, right? And the crowd goes crazy.
Yeah, that empty space you talked about.
Okay, so tomorrow, 5:30 p.m., and looking at that stage over there, for some reason, they come to see me, I don't know why. Yeah, this is crazy, not gonna lie.
That empty space you talked about, it's sorted.
Oh, yeah, it is. And then you're like, woo, we're gonna be here. One of those videos with that background before, right? But everyone will get it on the email.
Free book. Yeah, you get an email.
Yeah, okay, cool. Let's do that.
Please.
Let's go. Everyone who registered will get it on the email. Yeah. Have we been talking WhatsApp?
Yes. Yeah, it's Clayton. We are still busy with them.
Is this the perfect binding or the?
No, this is the perfect binding.
I got our brand company I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, we're just finishing to trim them up and pack them.
Botswana Television Studio.
I was looking.
You also explore.
It's like a battlefield. Huh? Yes, it feels like I'm in a zombie movie, apocalypse. Can you just walk in a studio? Ain't nobody bats an eye.
Can do is the kid.
But that makes me even more like I don't want to go into the wrong door. It's shoot to kill.
So this is how you document the cameras. The conversation is just here.
Imagine data as Lego pieces. Think you have billions of Lego pieces, right? What search engines did, like Google, Alta Vista, what they did is they structured the Lego. This is blue, this is green, this is red. What ChatGPT does is they take this Lego and it builds with it.
Can drive economic growth in Africa and Botswana specifically. Stay with us. I'm coming right back with 10 o'clock news. And thank you so much. Don't forget your mic. Oh,
Do we know the viewers on TV?
I can only do Facebook. I can only show you from Facebook. I don't know how many. Never like I.
Oh, yeah, 6,000 views. You need to get a second phone. You need to get a second phone.
It's crazy, man. People are listening, yeah?
Yeah.
And I don't even know
Send them the
people.
link. Send them the link.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you right now.
I would like to register for the workshop that will be hosted at Cresta.
Oh, Cresta, that's another thing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Hey, Drake. How do you like me?
Good, good. Hi guys, hi. Let me just take you to the...
Yeah.
We agreed to greet,
Yeah.
but literally means
I approve your greeting.
yes. You're telling someone, hey, agree to my greeting. And then they say, oh yeah, dumelang, I'm agreeing to your greeting. And
That's
then
cute.
any other word from that point is utsugile, which literally means verbatim, are you awake? Are you, yes.
Say it again.
Utsugile.
Utsugile.
Yes, oh my God.
We can only do so much as a people, but we also need the government to. Yeah.
Everyone is excited.
Everyone is saying that. Same with the Zimbabwe and Namibia. They're like, you have to come back. We do bigger and better. And I might. You show me. You guys are doing good results. Thank you.
These guys, they have a wide audience. National, like BTV. Yesterday on BTV, we're sitting at around 13,000 views. But it's going up. So these ones, they also have the same views. They will go to the 37,000 views.
Mr. Speaker, with the limited options to institutional oversight and reporting arrangements, the under-execution of development budget, the ongoing challenges in our utilities industries.
Excited?
Yeah, atmosphere is great.
Which would better? Is it KFC? Is it the True Color? Is it supposed to represent Botswana? Is it supposed to represent Namibia?
Hey man, how good? Fine? Here we go. What's up?
And what Elon Musk has been talking about,
Yeah.
how open AI has been.
I must say it like right now, I don't talk about the downsides of AI because everyone else is, right? So I try to focus on the bright side. There's downsides with everything in life. Fire helped build our society to what it is today, but it also burnt down LA, right? Everything, if you overconsume water, you'll die. So everything we overconsume, every technology we approach with accountability and caution. Take care. Hi, how you doing? You well?
Yeah, that's just wait.
But everyone was super excited.
Yeah.
Okay, we ready? Thanks
Bye.
guys, I appreciate it so much.
Hey Martin.
Green.
Another one.
Another one.
All I ever wanted was a black Grand National, being rational, even with the passport. Bum, bum, bum.
It's not enough.
You something. But it's not enough. All I ever wanted was a...
Which side?
That side.
That side.
So we go there.
You guys want to get wet?
Call him.
You guys might Well, I need to shower.
Wait, wait.
Get a handle it, right?
Oh, yeah. Just where?
We made it, bro.
We made it. We're the world's greatest.
They ain't believing us. God did.
God did. Bots did.
Yeah, God did. This tour, it was just something else. Zimbabwe, Namibia, Botswana, also South Africa, but we struggled with Martin's visa, so we have no vlog from that, unfortunately. Nobody believed this would be possible. We put in blood, sweat, and tears into this project, but it also created laughter, memories, friendships, and most importantly, true impact. I get DMs on a daily basis telling me how they have scaled their lives and income with 3x to 5x in just a month. We might be the architects of this tour, but I'm just a vessel spreading the gospel from above about AI to the world. And we have just begun. Now it's time to hop back on a flight and do this all over again. For anyone who has been enjoying this journey, please be patient since we will be on the road traveling. There won't be any vlogs from the new countries we'll visit in a month or so. But make sure to subscribe, AI or die, and as always, stay bright.